Welcome to the fascinating realm of wooden crafting, where creativity meets sustainability. Engaging in this art form allows you to transform simple pieces of wood into beautiful and functional items for your home. With just a few basic materials and tools, you can embark on exciting projects that enhance your living space while fostering a sense of accomplishment. As you dive into the world of wooden crafting, you'll find that it is accessible to everyone, regardless of skill level. The beauty of this craft lies in its simplicity. With some practice, even beginners can create stunning pieces. The process of shaping and finishing wood can be incredibly rewarding, providing a wonderful outlet for relaxation and creativity. Moreover, wooden crafting introduces a sustainable approach to home decor, encouraging you to use reclaimed or responsibly sourced materials. This not only benefits the environment, but also adds a unique character to your creations. So, gather your tools and materials, and let's explore the exciting projects that await you in the realm of wooden crafts. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with all our exciting content on wooden crafting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting the subscribe button, you'll be the first to know about our latest tutorials, tips, and creative ideas that will inspire your crafting journey. We appreciate your support. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and fellow crafters. Your engagement not only motivates us to create more content, but also helps build a vibrant community of craft enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more as we explore new projects and techniques together. Your next creative adventure is just a click away. Engaging in simple wooden crafting opens up a world of creativity and sustainability. These projects not only enhance your living space, but also allow you to express your artistic flair. Wooden crafts can range from functional items to decorative pieces, making them versatile choices for home decor. With just a few basic materials and tools, anyone can embark on this fulfilling journey. Materials required for small wooden crafts. To start your wooden crafting journey, you need some essential materials. Commonly used items include untreated wood, which can be sourced from local hardware stores or reclaimed materials. You'll also need a saw for cutting, sandpaper for smoothing edges, wood glue for assembly, and paint or varnish for finishing touches. Basic hand tools such as a hammer, drill, and measuring tape are important as well. These materials are often inexpensive and widely accessible, making wooden crafting a practical hobby. Developing simple skills for crafting. Wooden crafting does not require advanced skills. Rather, it focuses on simple techniques that anyone can master. Basic skills like measuring, cutting, sanding, and assembling are fundamental. Tutorials and online resources can guide beginners through the process, ensuring a smooth learning curve. With practice, you'll gain confidence in your abilities, allowing for more complex projects over time. The satisfaction of creating something with your hands is immensely rewarding and encourages further exploration of crafting. Accessibility for everyone. One of the most appealing aspects of wooden crafting is its accessibility. Regardless of age or experience level, anyone can pick up this hobby. Children can engage in simple projects with supervision, while adults can explore more elaborate designs. Community workshops and online classes provide additional support, fostering a sense of belonging among crafters. This inclusivity makes wooden crafting a fantastic family activity, strengthening bonds while creating lasting memories. Marketing your wooden crafts. Once you have honed your skills and created beautiful wooden items, consider marketing them. Social media platforms, local craft fairs, and online marketplaces offer excellent avenues for selling your crafts. Create an appealing online presence by showcasing your projects through high-quality images and engaging descriptions. Networking with other crafters can also provide valuable insights into effective marketing strategies. A well-thought-out approach can turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Understanding profit potential. The profit potential in selling wooden crafts can be substantial. By calculating material costs, labor, and overhead, you can set competitive prices for your products. Unique designs and quality craftsmanship can command higher prices in the market. Additionally, creating a brand around your crafts can enhance your visibility and attract more customers. As you gain experience, you can refine your offerings to cater to specific market demands, ultimately increasing profitability. Gathering feedback for improvement. Feedback is crucial for growth in any craft. Engaging with customers can provide insights into what works and what needs improvement. Encourage reviews and constructive criticism to enhance your products. This feedback loop not only helps in refining your craft, but also builds a loyal customer base. By responding to customer needs and preferences, you can tailor your offerings, ensuring continuous improvement and satisfaction. Emphasizing sustainability. Sustainability is a significant aspect of wooden crafting. By using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials, you contribute to environmental conservation. This eco-friendly approach resonates with many consumers today, making your crafts more appealing. Additionally, promoting sustainability in your crafting process can differentiate your brand in the marketplace. Emphasizing the environmental benefits of your products can attract a conscientious audience, further boosting your sales. The joy of creating wooden crafts extends beyond the final product. The process itself is meditative, providing a sense of accomplishment and relaxation. Crafting can serve as a therapeutic outlet, allowing you to escape the stresses of daily life. Each project becomes a personal expression of creativity, reflecting your style and preferences. This emotional connection to your work can be a powerful motivator, encouraging you to continue exploring new techniques and designs. As you delve into the world of wooden crafting, consider the community aspect. Connecting with fellow crafters can enhance your experience, providing support and inspiration. Online forums and local crafting groups are great places to share ideas, collaborate on projects, and celebrate each other's successes. This sense of community fosters creativity and encourages individuals to push their boundaries, resulting in innovative and unique creations. Exploring different techniques. Wooden crafting encompasses a variety of techniques that can elevate your projects. From woodworking joinery to pyrography, exploring different methods can enhance your skill set. Experimenting with various techniques not only broadens your crafting repertoire, but also keeps the creative process exciting. Each new method learned can lead to unique designs, allowing you to continuously evolve as a crafter. Setting goals for crafting success. Setting goals can significantly enhance your crafting journey. Whether you aim to complete a certain number of projects each month or expand your product line, having clear objectives keeps you motivated. Break down larger goals into manageable tasks to track your progress effectively. Celebrating small victories along the way can boost your confidence and fuel your passion for wooden crafting. Utilizing online resources. The internet is a treasure trove of resources for aspiring wooden crafters. From instructional videos to online courses, there are countless platforms to explore. Engaging with these resources can accelerate your learning process and introduce you to new ideas and techniques. Additionally, many crafting communities online offer support and encouragement, making it easier to navigate challenges and celebrate successes. Embracing challenges. Every craft comes with its challenges, and wooden crafting is no exception. Whether it's mastering a new technique or dealing with unexpected material issues, embracing these obstacles can lead to growth. Each challenge faced becomes an opportunity to learn and improve. Developing problem-solving skills through crafting can enhance your overall experience, making you a more resilient and confident creator. Balancing crafting and daily life. As you immerse yourself in wooden crafting, finding a balance with daily responsibilities is crucial. Setting aside dedicated time for crafting can help you maintain focus and enjoyment. Creating a dedicated workspace can also enhance your productivity. By integrating crafting into your routine, you can ensure that it remains a fulfilling and enjoyable part of your life. The endless possibilities of wooden crafting. In conclusion, simple wooden crafting offers a myriad of possibilities for creativity, sustainability, and personal growth. With accessible materials and skills, anyone can create beautiful items that enhance their home and bring joy. By exploring marketing avenues, gathering feedback, and embracing the community, you can turn your passion into a rewarding venture. The journey of wooden crafting is not just about the end products, but also about the experiences, connections, and growth along the way. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into the world of wooden crafting. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to like the video and share it with your friends and fellow crafting enthusiasts. Your support means a lot to us and helps our community grow. We love hearing from you. So don't hesitate to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Stay connected for more exciting projects and tips, and we look forward to crafting together in future videos.